Black Friday discounts, don't we all love a good cheap sweater? But is that the same for crypto and for Bitcoin? The rumour mill going around social media at the moment is Black Friday historically crashes. Is that really the case? Let's jump in, let's find out. I don't think so. And here we have the long-term outlook of Bitcoin, and especially in and around the Black Friday times. Some of them are on Black Friday themselves. Some of them have either the day before or day after. It's just kind of where the things were lying. So as we can see, let's just start with the clear and obvious on the view. Okay, so this is a 3-day time frame, similar viewpoint onto a weekly time frame. This here was Bitcoin entering into the bull market phases to begin with. So that's one little thing I just wanted to get out there to start. And we had an absolute epic bull run for quite a long time previously to this Black Friday coming. But this green one, so what I've done here, people, is green Black Friday discount. This is clear and obvious. And as Black Friday came in, we just went into a spiral of a downtrend into a bear market. So was Black Friday actually to blame for this? No, but it's there. So it is an historic for us to look at. But if we're talking historics, we need to have more data. So then if we go through the history of Black Fridays across Bitcoin, we can go into the 2017-18 bull run. And as you can see, going into the Black Friday, the price action continued and continued and continued. And we actually put in what's called a blow off top on the market all the way into December before the bear market starting in January. So historically incorrect. Let's go to this one towards the end at this moment in time. Well, let's go to 2019's Black Friday. So in the build up in through 2019, of course, we went into a bad 2020. That also was not Black Friday's fault, and it was the following year. But if we actually look in where Black Friday was landing, there was actually no major discount. There was no major crash. And that's the fear that's being put around social medias this time around. Then if we go into November 2020, well, we all know what happened there. A really, really nice bull rally. Can we argue if we just zoom in a little bit, there was a little bit of a crash? It's not realistically a crash, is it? It's not a correction. It's just minor. Then we've been into this one. And then if we go into November 2022, the bear market, and where everything was supposed to continue falling forever, we actually started reversing the market at that point. If anything, Black Friday has caused and triggered bull runs more than causing a bear market. But there we go. Back in 2022, in November, there was further continuation, minimal pullback, and then that led us off into the charge of the bull run. Then, if we have a look currently of our most recent one, not this one coming, the most recent, we had 2023, and we all know what happened there anyway. The market continued to rally. We had a brilliant November, December, January, February. A lot of people got spoiled during that time, and they were led to believe we went into a confirmed parabolic bull run until Bitcoin ended up putting in big corrections, not for itself. It wasn't that big overall, but it put in a big correction for altcoins because it pulled a lot of dominance away. Previous video, I've slightly explained dominance for you if you are unsure. And as mentioned, heading back into this one, the reason why I guess it's kind of up for debate. Let's zoom in a little bit tighter on this one, and I'll let you guys have the verdict. So, Black Friday had a sell-off, and it did actually go and make a lower low in the market. So we have to just be impartial at all times and just say, yes, there was a clear sell-off there. And some people would have considered that a big correction. And you have to remember what has been on a higher time frame, and we look back with hindsight, it doesn't feel that bad. But if you was living through it at that moment, then you would have probably have said that was a correction and that was pretty painful. But we were also heading out of that actual bear market at that point, and that was the last lower low. Glass half empty, glass half full. Which one would you guys give this one? would you give it a no-show, or would you say that that was a Black Friday discount? When we say discounts, big corrections. So that's it, guys. In a nutshell, historically, there is no discount on Black Fridays. Can I just say, I am by no means saying that come this Black Friday, there's not a discount. That's not the prediction I'm giving. What we're doing here is a little bit of a debunk video, and there you have it. What I would like to say to everyone, if there ever is these historical type of claims to the market, go and have a little look for yourself. Never put 100% trust into anyone, regardless of how good or good they have been. Anything can be wrong. And historical data is easy to find. You just go back into the dates, load up the higher time frames, and go and have a little look yourselves. And that's it from me. That is the Black Friday debunk done in a couple of minutes. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want more of things like this in the future, please let me know in the comments. Feel free to give me a like and a follow and all that good stuff. That's it from me. All the best, everyone. Bye.